New assembly functions. ZW3D 2021 introduces several new assembly functions to help you improve productivity. The first two new functions, dissolve assembly and group as sub-assembly, work as a couple to break up and create an assembly. They help you quickly reorganize the assembly structure. The unplaced components are virtual components that only appear in the assembly tree, but not in the graphic window. They are normally the things that should be included in the BOM table, but are not necessary to show the geometry, like the package or spare parts. The clearance check function can detect the minimum distance between components, so that you can make sure that the design is safe and reasonable. The last new function for assembly is Batch Attribute Edit. With its help, you can select multiple components and edit their attributes according to the template by one click, greatly saving your time. This function is very useful when you have to override the attributes of many components for a project.